Imagine a world where AI models work in isolation, each limited by its own constraints. While AI is revolutionizing industries, relying on a single model can lead to inaccuracies and inefficiencies. Ensemble learning offers a solution by combining multiple models for enhanced performance. Ensemble learning is like a symphony, where different instruments come together to create a harmonious sound. By integrating various AI models, we achieve better accuracy and resilience, overcoming the limitations of individual models. Let's dive into the world of ensemble techniques. Bagging, or bootstrap aggregating, uses multiple versions of the same model on different data samples. Random forest is a prime example, enhancing decision-making by reducing overfitting. Boosting takes a sequential approach, correcting errors from previous models. Techniques like XGBoost are renowned for their precision. Stacking, on the other hand, combines predictions from diverse models, creating a robust metamodel. AWS offers a suite of services to streamline ensemble model deployment. Amazon SageMaker provides a managed environment for training, while AWS Lambda handles lightweight inference tasks, ensuring efficient resource use. With AWS step functions, orchestrating multiple AI models becomes seamless. These tools not only optimize compute resources, but also reduce costs, making ensemble models accessible to businesses of all sizes. Ensemble models shine in real-world applications, like fraud detection and healthcare diagnostics. By leveraging AWS services, businesses can enhance AI model performance, ensuring accurate and timely insights across industries. Incorporating ensemble models on AWS offers scalability and cost-effectiveness. By embracing this approach, you can unlock new potentials in AI, driving innovation and efficiency in your organization. Let's harness the power of ensemble learning together.